Designing an environment from scratch. I'll start off with a black image and simply trace around it. I'm just tracing around the desired shape of what I need, in this case a pointy peaks of a mountain. And this gives us this cool scene already. Next, I'll change the color of this black mountain to purple and give it highlights with a lighter shade of purple. The same thing will be repeated for making another mountain here at the side. I'll then change the color of the sky from white to this orange, yellow, light pink. I don't really know what color this is. I like it and I'll go with it. Next is making the clouds, which are made with the same technique of tracing on the original black image from the beginning. Then I'll simply duplicate the clouds around the image. Maybe add the sunrise too, I don't really know. Next, I'll give the background some haze effect. And for more depth, I'll simply duplicate one of the mountains, put it in the background, make it more blur and reduce its opacity. The same thing can be done on the other side to balance out the image. Also, I feel like increasing the haziness of the image for some more depth. At this point, I don't really think the sun is even needed. Now, the clouds kinda seem too flat for my liking. To solve this, I'll simply paint a black line onto the bottom of the cloud and reduce its opacity. Then I'll replace the remaining clouds with this new design and increase the haziness of the background to increase the depth. And that is how to turn a black image into something cool. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Peace.